Okay guys, quick video on iso ramping for the TFL muscle. So the TFL is a small muscle in the front of our hip, okay? So it's on the side of our hip here, but it's more kind of in this front region in this area here, all right? Now, in order to release this, we're going to need a tennis ball, a lacrosse ball, really, or any object that we can put in there that allows us to kind of sink in as if we're foam rolling it, but we're going to do a little bit of a trick. The key is that whatever we use, we don't want it to be about above a 5 out of 10 as far as like the level of compression goes. Or if it's too hard, we can't relax into it, and that's kind of the purpose behind all of this. All right. So I've got a bottle of OxyClean here. All right. So again, we can use anything. I'm just gonna find that muscle by kind of rolling forward and back on this thing here. And I found it right about here, okay? And again, this is more in the front than the back. And I'm just gonna let it sink in for a minute. And the idea behind iso ramping is this. What I'm gonna do is squeeze my muscle as hard as I can for about 5 seconds, and then relax and just let the muscle sink in for about 15 to 30 seconds, all right? The idea is that we're teaching the muscle to let go. Sometimes when muscles get overcharged or overactive, they tighten up and they just won't let go. So this is kind of teaching the nervous system to teach it to let go. So I'm just going to squeeze for 5 seconds, gradually ramp up right where I'm pushing into, make that muscle squeeze and contract, push the object away from my skin, and then relax and just let it sink in. Okay. And I would do this anywhere from 5 to 10 rounds. Again, just making sure that the pain level doesn't go above a 5 out of 10. And if you have any questions, post them. Thanks.